Hello, dear students. I, Anupama Sharma, will discuss your third worksheet related to your workbook, Lesson 3, The Aged Mother. First exercise is give the meaning of the given words in Punjabi or Hindi. First word is humble, meaning ਇਹਦਾ मतलब है निमर or polite. Barbarous, जालम, extremely brutal. Despotic, निरंकुश या फिर क्रूअल और डिक्टेटर. फ्रेलिटी, कमजोरी. इंग्लिश मीनिंग इज डिसएबिलिटी. अबॉलिश्ड, खत्म कीता, put to an end. Now use the given words in meaningful sentences. Path, I always follow the right path. Helpless, we all are helpless before God's will. Reckless, he is a reckless driver. Closet, there is a closet in our house. Unselfish, my mom has unselfish love for me. Next exercise is related to match the given words in column A with the words in column B. Mother would be related to the word aged, son, poor farmer, Shining, province in Japan, despotic leader, a good warrior. Obiti Suyama, the mountain. Next, fourth exercise is related to answer the following question into one sentence. एक sentence इन questions the answer देने हैं. What did the despotic leader dislike? Despotic leader ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ अच्छी नहीं सी लगदी उस निरंकुश शासक ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਚੀਜ਼ अच्छी नहीं लगदी सी. The despotic leader disliked anything suggestive of failing health and strength. What was the cruel announcement made by the leader? ਉਹਨੇ ਕੀ ਇੱਕ ਕਰੂਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਉਹ ਘੋਸ਼ਣਾ ਕੀਤੀ ਸੀ to put all the aged to death. Where did the poor farmer and his aged mother live in a province? Province ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਸੀਗੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਸੀਗਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਉਸ ਸਟੇਟ ਵਿੱਚ poor farmer ਔਰ ਉਹਦੀ aged mother ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ? They lived at the foot of mountain. What did the mother drop along the way? माँ रस्ते च की गिरांदी गई? The mother dropped twigs along the way. Who made the rope of ash for the governor? Governor वास्ते जड़ी सुराख या स्वाद दी रस्सी किन्ने बनाई? The poor farmer. The poor farmer made a rope of ash. Next, grammar exercise. Fill in the blanks with the help of following determiners from the picture. We have already discussed determiners in detail while doing the exercises of my English companion book. My English companion book ਨੂੰ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋਏ ਅਸੀਂ determiners ਨੂੰ बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल च कर चुके हैं. Here some determiners have been given to you. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ determiners ਇੱਥੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ हैं. Those, much, each, some, any, a, and, the, my, a few. Now, he is the boy who has won the prize. My father is an honest man. Seema borrowed a few books from Ravi. I have hardly any money. Each of the boys mostly do his duty. Don't think about it too much. I want to have little milk. Is there any milk in the kitchen? We invited a few friends over to our house. The duck is a bird. Those girls dance very well. Underline the error in each sentence. Write your answer correction in space provided. जिवें बेटा फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਕੇ ਦਿਖਾਇਆ he was the good warrior, the नहीं आएगा, a आएगा। सेंटेंस ਨੂੰ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਆਪਾਂ the ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਤਾਈਓ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਈਨ ਲਗਾਈਏ, ਅੰਡਰਲਾਈਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ, ਔਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਐਰਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਉੱਥੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ। Did you hear much noise? No. Did you hear any noise? Both Manpreet और नवनीत both word लगा तो और नहीं, और गलत है, and आएगा। She had drunk a little water, the jug had the little water, whatsoever water was there in the jug she had drunk। जो भी पानी जिन्ना भी सीगा ਉਹਦੇ ਚ जग चो सारा वो पी चुकी है। Do you want the orange? नहीं, any orange। ਹੁਣ ਪੰਕਚੁਏਟ ਦਾ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਿਸ ਦੇਖੋ, ਇੱਥੇ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੰਕਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਯੈਲੋ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟਰ ਨਾਲ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇਧਰੋਂ ਠੀਕ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਹੈ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਪੰਕਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਮੀਨਸ ਕਿ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਫੁੱਲ ਸਟਾਪ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ ਫੁੱਲ ਸਟਾਪ ਲਾਓ, कॉमा लाना है कॉमा लाओ, कॉलन लाना है कॉलन लाओ, सेमी कॉलन लगाना है सेमी कॉलन लगाओ, कैपिटल लेटर्स लिखो। तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस देखो, there lived a poor farmer, there T capital, there lived a poor farmer, full stop। He H capital, he carried aloud I capital, I will not leave you। He cried aloud, comma, inverted comma begin, I will not leave you। It is a statement, so it will come under inverted comma। Moreover, this sentence is a sort of exclamatory sentence, so it is a threat, so sign of exclamation has been given at the end of the sentence। Wait, she said, let me think, wait, inverted comma begin, wait, sign of exclamation, inverted comma close। She said, comma, inverted comma begin, L capital, let me think, full stop, inverted comma close। The entire province of Xining trembled with fear, the T capital, the entire province of Xining means S capital, Xining trembled with fear। Finally, he lifted his head, F capital, finally, after finally there is comma, finally, comma, he lifted his head, full stop। Vocabulary, give one word for the following। These words have been given to you: lazy, suggestive, despotic, prompted, abundant। Her symptoms are suggestive of panic disorder। The baby was found abandoned outside a local temple। Curiosity prompted the student to ask a few questions। The country was ruled by a despotic ruler। You have plenty of ability, but you are too lazy। Next, writing skill. On the basis of the following mind map, write a small paragraph on the role of a mother in a family। ਇਹ ਕੁਝ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਗਏ हैं hints और मैं ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਹਨਾਂ hints ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਡਿਵੈਲਪ ਕਰਕੇ ਪੈਰਾਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਨੂੰ ਪੂਰਾ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। For example, you should start from the line, the mother is a homemaker, full stop, she is always friendly and supportive, again full stop, she is good counselor and guide, she is always an early riser, full stop, she is strong individual to support everyone, she performs the role of a skilled cook, she sets rules and boundaries to protect all the family members, our house becomes an organized home because of her, She gives unconditional love. Now, you can write these sentences in a paragraph form. Next, look at the given picture and speak a few sentences on it. How will I help my mother? I help my mother in carrying my things while she is cleaning the room. I fold my clothes and I also put my dirty clothes in laundry bag. I help my mother in cleaning the floor or in brooming. I help my mother for cleaning the house. I help my mother for dusting the house. I help my mother in kitchen. So these sort of chores I do to help my mother. Now listening exercise. I would speak out some lines, and after listening to those lines, you will choose the correct one. I have already done it. Once more, he shouldered his mother. Once more, he shouldered his mother and hastened down the path to their little hut in the valley. Beneath their kitchen floor was a walled closet for food, which was covered and hidden from view. There the son hid his mother, supplying her with everything she needed, continually watching and fearing she would be discovered. Time passed, and he was beginning to feel safe when again the governor sent forth messengers bearing an unreasonable order, seemingly as a boast of his power. His demand was that his subjects should be present him with a rope of ash. Next, again, listen to the audio carefully and choose the correct answer from the given options. Books are our never failing friends. They guide and warm us against various pitfalls. They are a storehouse of wisdom. We come to know through books what our great poets and leaders said from time to time. Books, like friends, should be few but well chosen. Thanks and have a nice day.